How can you remove Marketplace from Messenger? Let's start the video. First of all, close your Messenger app and open Facebook application on your mobile device. After that, you'll see three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on it. And then scroll below. You'll find Help and Support. Tap on it. And then again, tap on Report a Problem. Scroll below. And then you'll see Continue to report a problem. Tap on it. And then scroll below and hit Don't Include. After that, scroll below and you'll find Marketplace under Live. Tap on it. And then you'll see a description box. Just type in, I want to remove Marketplace on Messenger, help me out. After that, just hit on Send. And then the Facebook team will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours to fix your problem. And that's how you do it. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.